Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check out on Temu. If you have finished shopping on Temu and you're ready to complete your purchase. Firstly, you need to open the Temu app, and the next is you need to browse the app and simply make sure that you have added the products. And what you can do is you need to select the cart option in the bottom, and under the cart what you need to do is you need to review all the items in your cart to make sure you have selected the correct products. And once everything looks correct, you can simply select checkout in the bottom. And from here, you need to proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, confirm or add your shipping address here and your preferred shipping method as well. And over here, make sure you have confirm or add your shipping address, then choose your preferred shipping method as well. And next is you need to select for your preferred payment method here. You can select for the PayPal, Apple Pay, card as well. And after that, you need to simply select order in the bottom right and pay. And that is it. That's how you can check out on Temu. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.